presentation. Let's see. I may present this in another form. All right. Now, I hope it is clear to everyone. What I have done is I have drawn the enol form of this. I have drawn the enol form. So you are having this is the keto form. So I have drawn enol form of this. You can see. So if this is the enol form, let's see what can happen. The nucleophile is present within the molecule. So what happens in this case is this nitrogen takes this pi electron. It takes this pi electron. This pi electron, the nitrogen takes, right? So when it takes these pi electrons, so positive charge on nitrogen shall be demolished. But at the same time, this carbon shall become electron deficient. So what happens here is, that this carbon transfers electron to this carbon. It transfers electron to this. So these pi electrons are transferred to this. Because these electrons are transferred to nitrogen, so this carbon shall become electron deficient. As a result, these pi electrons are transferred there. Once it is transferred, so this carbon is making a bond with this, and what we shall get, this carbon shall be electron deficient. At the same time, what shall happen is this hydrogen shall leave to stabilize positive charge. This hydrogen shall leave to stabilize positive charge here. This positive charge shall be stabilized by the loss of this H positive ion and shall get carbon oxygen double bond. What shall it lead? It shall lead into the formation of another very important ring. So that ring is basically, if I present, you can see this carbon is making a bond with this. So it shall be a bicyclic type nucleus. Let me, if I draw this bicyclic structure. So we are having nitrogen at this position, right? And if you remember, it has one methyl attached with this. And let's say if I draw this methyl I have already colored because this is coming from sand. You see, this is that structure. This carbon is making a bond with this, in fact. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 membered ring shall be formed on the other side. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 membered ring. Now you can see this is a perfect chair conformation. This is a perfect chair conformation that we can see in this case. And this is present, you see, this is one of the chair conformation. This is a chair conformation. This is chair of 6-membered ring, and on the other side, this is a 5-membered ring. Now you can see in this case, we have a carbonyl also, which is present at this position. So no doubt we are having a carbonyl which is present at this position, right? So this molecule it is having this carbonyl, right? So this molecule is a natural product which is being isolated from the plants. All right. So what this is called? This is in fact called tropinone, right? So this is a basically natural product. It is being isolated. So this is called tropinone. This is called tropinone. This is a natural product which is being isolated. So this is the biosynthesis. You can see this is the biosynthesis of a natural product, commonly produced tropinone. So this is a natural product which is being synthesized. Now you can see this 5-member ring. This 5-member ring is formed from amino acid. But you see another, if we look at this alkaloid, if we make a count from here, this is a 5-member ring. Let's say if I enlarge, if you look at this nitrogen, these 2 carbon and these 2, these are 5-membered ring. This is a 5-membered ring. This is pyrrolidine nucleus. This is derived from an amino acid. But you see, these 3 carbons are approaching from what position? These are coming from malonate. This is coming from acetoacetate. Acetoacetate, which is present within the molecule, within the cells. This is a nucleophile, in fact. Now you can see in this case, if I count nitrogen, 2 these carbon, 2 these, and 1 carbonyl carbon. So these are 6. So if we count from here, it is a 5-membered ring. If we count from here, it is a 6-membered ring. So if one side, this is looking like a pyrrolidine alkaloid. Other side, if we see, this is looking like a pyridine alkaloid. So such type of alkaloids which contain both classes, pyridine as well as pyrrolidine, these are called pyridine pyrrolidine alkaloids because it contains both of them. It doesn't contain only 5-membered ring or 6-membered ring. It contains both of them because this is a bicyclic system. This is one of the component that I was interested to present. But let's see if I present another very important biosynthesis of 5-membered ring, how they are being formed. Another amino acid is called asparolene. What is asparolene? Let me, if I draw the structure of asparolene first, then it shall be very useful for you to identify this. This molecule is in fact called asparolene. Asparolene. This is also an amino acid. This is also an amino acid. And this is derived from biosynthetically. This amino acid is produced from ornithine. You see, this is the terminal NH2 of the ornithine, 3 carbons, and then one of the amino group here leaves. And this nitrogen, which is present in ornithine, so that